Hi. Uh, Today, let me first take you through the eyes of my prospective customer who will benefit the most using the proposed research techniques in my dissertation. Let's say you are an enthusiastic, technically geeky person who has some cool idea to come up with a new service like a mail service. So you invent a new mail called something like a best mail, which has some really cool features which are not available in any of the current day technology like Gmail or Yahoo. As a result, you will get millions of users in a very short time. So the first thing you want to ensure is provide overall good performance so that your users are always happy. In order to do that, being a geeky person, you would go to the best solution that's available today, that is put all the data on the cloud. And to do this, the two most important things that you want to negotiate in contract in order to do this with a cloud service provider is ensure high availability and you ensure fast access. Why do you need this? Let's say as a user, you're trying to check your inbox. What's the worst thing that a provider want to not see in the user? He goes to try search a mail and then you see bang that service not available. So come later. You never want to see that as a user. And there are also scenarios like you know definitely that you have stored some mail and you are searching for it. So what happens if you are searching and you don't get? You're frustrated and you want to leave the service. You do not want to continue with that. So why do these things happen? Because of availability reasons. Like it could be as simple as a data crash on some server located anywhere in the world, or it could be because of natural calamities. Like there is an earthquake in Japan because of which your data that's stored there was gone. You do not care about these things. You would just care about your data. You want the service providers to do that. And then fast access. When you want to search something, you want the results to be quickly available. You do not have the patience to wait for a minute or even hours together. So what are the challenges that are there to not do this in present day technology? The data storage requirements are pretty complicated. As a cloud service provider, he needs to take care of multiple applications. Like you have best mail, there might be a web server, there might be another mail service. So the data comes from different applications and he needs to cater to all of them. Then data storage patterns are pretty random. It's well known that random accesses are very tough to manage. So what do I propose? Maintain a very good quality of service. Most of the users do not know what they want. To be specific, they don't know how good is too good and how bad is too bad. So we do not want to ask questions to the customers. We want ourselves to sample the workload, extract useful information, and make sure everything works perfectly. So that means you need to provide really good fast access, make sure that random access and any other issues do not bother the customers. So these are the things, and also there are other things like reducing the duplicates. So,